Hi everyone! This video is about our stay in Athens in Greece. The choice of location was clear here as we wanted to be near the shopping areas and also the sightseeing places. Since this was the last city of our Greece trip, we had kept some extra time here for shopping. After some research, we figured that Monastiraki is the place which fulfills all our requirements. It was in the middle of shopping and very close to the main tourist attraction, the Acropolis. We were looking for a place where four of us could stay comfortably, and we came across Hotel Grecotel Pallas Athena, which was only about 850 meters from Monastiraki Square, and it was on the main road, easily accessible by car. We found that this hotel had very artistically designed rooms with different artworks and concepts in different rooms. Every corner of the hotel had something beautiful to capture. We just loved it and immediately went ahead with the booking. Let's see our room now. Our room was called Octopussy Family Suite. I mean, truly, it was the most aesthetically and uniquely designed place I have ever stayed. Our room had a separate sitting area and two separate bedrooms and two separate bathrooms. The room was very comfortable. The bathrooms were good size and the toiletries in the bathrooms were of superior quality. The room had electric kettle with tea and coffee replenishments every day. We had booked the room with complimentary breakfast. The breakfast was really good and we enjoyed our meals there. In case you do not like to book breakfast in the hotel, then there won't be any issue as this area is full of eating joints. Just 50 meters ahead of this hotel was the beautiful Kotsia Square, and right opposite Kotsia Square was Athens City Hall building. There was also a very good grocery store nearby where we could find the few things kids wanted during their stay in Athens. This grocery store was about 190 meters from our hotel. The road from Grecotel Pallas Athena to Monastiraki Square was a busy one, with restaurants, fast food joints, grocery stores, thrift shopping stores, big branded shopping stores like H&M, Bershka and many more. Monastiraki Square was a lovely area and it was lined with shopping and eating streets around it. Hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe. Bye for now.